There's a thing about revolutions. One revolution always leads to another. That's exactly the case with Drylock, a revolutionary new way of producing and using diapers. Drylock is the world's first fluffless diaper, meaning no trees have to be cut anymore to fill the diapers. Our apologies to all the lumberjacks out there, but I'm sure they will find other ways to fill their time. Furthermore, Clean Ultrasonics replaced the synthetic glue, saving tons of chemicals. Drylock offers the greatest possible protection to the baby. The patented pockets technology named Drylock Cubes is ultra-absorbing. The pockets respond each individually to liquid, offering more protection and more comfort for the baby. Taking wood pulp out of the diaper led to another revolution. Replacing wood pulp by super-absorbent cubes makes Drylock the thinnest diaper on the market. Parents will finally feel their baby again. The thinnest diaper led to another revolution. We developed new plants with a very high production speed. Thomas still has to get used to the speed. Maybe we should move him to transport. Or maybe not. Which leads us to yet another revolution. Containing no pulp and being ultra-thin, Drylock uses much less space in transport. And in the end, it greatly reduces shelf space in the supermarket as well. Once we're there, the revolution can really start.